In this lecture, we'll explore the split toning adjustment panel. Before we get started, open image wedding001.jpg in the Develop module. Now make sure your split toning panel is expanded. This adjustment panel allows us to add or change color tones in an image. In this example, we're working with a grayscale image. The goal is to add subtle yellow and blue tones to our highlights and shadows. We could technically add any color of our choice to this image, but yellows and blues do produce a nice overall effect. To get started, click on the first color picker box next to the highlights heading. Now select a faint yellow color, and you'll notice that this tone is added to the image right away. So we're not looking for anything too saturated like this. We want something more subtle like this. If you wanted to make minor adjustments to this color that you've just selected, you can play around with the hue and saturation slider as well. Okay, so that looks pretty good there. Now let's go ahead and add some more blues to our shadows. So in the shadows area, click the color picker box and select some subtle blue color. So as you can see here, the split combination of yellows and blues does add a nice overall effect. Now if you want to adjust the balance between your highlight color and your shadow color, use the balance slider. So if you move it towards the left, you're going to get more blues because it's going to put more emphasis on the shadows. It'll do the opposite if you move more towards the right. So then you get more of your highlights, which is the yellow color that we went with. In the next part of this course, we're going to be working with the detail panel. So please go ahead and expand the detail panel. And you're also going to open up image wedding004.jpg. Okay, and we'll see you in the next lecture.